Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we developed an Excel bot that can automatically identify each transaction in a bank statement, eliminating the need for manual intervention. This is a user form that we have created that utilizes an Excel file as its database. Right now, we are adding our bank accounts and clients into the form. Every time we introduce something new, a new sheet is generated within our Excel file. As you can see, we are creating one by one, the accounts and the clients. Now everything is ready. In the Type section, we have included all the transaction categories that are required by our client. You can now observe a bank statement containing various categories of transactions. The bot will utilize columns consisting of date, description, transaction types, as well as credit and debit information. You may observe different kinds of transactions including money received, payments and fees. The second file pertains to tracking the taxes that have been received or paid by each customer. As you can see, there are many tabs with different kind of taxes. Now let's run our bot. First, we need to upload the bank statement and the tax file. Now the bot starts recognizing the transactions one by one. Below you can see the transaction as it appears in the bank statement. And you can see that it found a match. There are 3 taxes that match the total of this transaction. On the upper side of the form you can see that all the boxes are automatically filled correctly. And below you can see the transaction as it appears in the bank statement. You can see that if the total amount doesn't agree, a balance message appears in the form. And here you can see the actual balance of the selected account and client. When the money are received by a client in our account, the amounts are turning blue. The next transaction is a payment, and as you can see, there was a unique match from the tax file. The next transaction is also a payment, and again there was a unique match from the tax file. In this transaction, there is no record in our tax file, so we have to manually enter this transaction. This balance check button verifies if the balance stated matches the balance in our records. Now let's see our bank statement file. You can see that all the recorded transactions are with color green. In addition, the recorded transactions within the tax file are highlighted in color to indicate to the user whether they match with the corresponding transactions in the bank statement. Now let's see a different type of transaction. As you can see, this is a transaction between accounts. And this one finally is bank fee. Now let's see all the recorded transactions in our file. In the first tab, all the transactions are recorded in details. And depending on the type of transaction, each bank account balance or client balance is updated accordingly. Columns that contain bank accounts and clients are added as hyperlinks for easier access to the sheets. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.